All right, today's Chinese New Year is 2024. We're using the Power Mate. So we just watched a YouTube video. Now we're trying to figure out how to do this. So I think ultimately this thing goes around and finally it comes on this side. It comes through here and this locks it. This is the final tighten here to tighten this. So you open this out, come over here. Okay, then you lock this, lock that, and then the final one, come over this side, pull this tight.
That's it.
That's it. All right, here, and one.
Okay.
Hold the video. Let me see if I can make it dumb down. So we've been watching a YouTube video how to make this work.
Okay.
So the first thing I want to do is I want to bring this towards me. But to do that,
I push.
not yet. To do that, it's nicer. This is higher up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna raise it up. So now I can stand here, use my body weight. That side. So 1, 2, 3. So there we go.
Careful. This is good.
Oh.
Okay. You don't want to do it.
Okay. So now I'm gonna go forward.
Okay.
Okay. So it's balanced.
Now back up.
Now go back up.
So it's still balanced.
Turn all right.
Anh nghĩ là anh đi xuống trước.
Okay, you. Break it up. I control for you a little bit.
Okay, am I close?
Not yet. I will tell you. Keep going.
Okay.
Okay. Hold it up.
Now I need to go down by 1.
Not yet. And now the 6 inch,
Okay.
4 inch,
Okay.
1 inch.
Good enough?
Whoa, that was not too
I thought we have to extend the other one out.
Oh, huh.
You have to do something.
So go this way. So go all the way. Okay.
Now you stand up.
Now I stand up.
Yeah, stand up. No, bro. Stand this one up. Stand this one up so you can. Anh chỉ push cái chân nó vô nha.
Go up.
Rồi. Now you move your feet down. Yep.
Very heavy for me.
Anh không phải làm gì, anh chỉ nương thôi.
Huh?
Anh phải nương thôi, anh không có làm gì hết. Dũng do everything.
Okay, now I'm going to bend over to
Okay,
the
now. Better.
Anh đi ra. Now he can. Anh pull it over. Anh pull it. No. Move the feet. Now. Yeah. Get the leg in down.
Okay.
Stand it up a little bit. Okay. Yeah. That's now stand it up. Now you move the feet down. You move the yes. Anh Kỳ không phải làm. Move down.
Okay. Now I'm gonna
Okay. Bend over. Now the bottom down. Anh không phải làm, Dũng làm. Anh chỉ nương thôi. Okay, slowly. Okay, stand up. Okay. Anh push vô anh Kỳ, anh push vô được. No, go more. Can you go more? Stand up. Go more. Go one more down. Yep. Go one more step. Yep. Okay, now lean the door back. Now I keep. Right. You got it. Now move.
Go down.
Okay, we're down, right?
Yeah, we down.
Well, I still need to come
Now
on.
need to bring the feet up.
I need to go a little
Down.
more.
Okay, now stand up.
Hold on a second, okay?
Anh không phải làm những nó not stable. Anh không phải.
Just
Can you hold the video now?
No, just that's
No được anh Kỳ, turn được, we can turn được after we stand it up.
Oh, okay.
Okay, that's it.
You know, I go
Just
up.
stand it up. That's it, anh Kỳ bỏ ra đó rồi mình sẽ quay cái tủ lạnh. Okay, can we stop it now, the video?
Keep on playing. Keep on playing.
Stop it, right?
No, keep on playing.
Now anh Kỳ lái, anh Kỳ, yeah, you turn. Anh Kỳ turn.
Hop, hop.
Stop, go back. You don't know, go back. You.
We gotta go outside.
The rope.
Wait. I'd rather do the quicker than the back and forth, you know? Hold on.
Just keep on playing.
Yeah,
So we got it figured out.
okay.
Okay, so I'm balanced here.
Okay, now,
Now,
turn around. It's easier to pull than push.
Okay.
You can see things too. Turn around.
That's it.
Yeah, turn around and then I push right thôi. Straight line. Now,
You have it, you?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Short turn, okay?
okay, everything clear?
See, I don't see it, but I hold it.
Dũng will be a driver. Anh chỉ có
Yeah,
push thôi.
yeah.
Anh chỉ có help pushing thôi. Oh, wait.
Wait.
The door, the
Hold on.
Look like the door handle doesn't work. Gotta go back in.
Okay, now you turn. You have to stand up and turn by yourself. Stand it up. Stand it up. Completely stand up.
Okay, go back in.
Yeah, no, back here.
No, stand up. Just stand straight up.
Okay.
Stand straight up. We have to move it by standing. Okay.
Taking it down.
Okay, here.
So we should take this dolly out and put the other one in?
Uh,
Or does it matter?
no, you can move the dolly here, but I think we take it out and roll by roller.
All right.
Can you stop it?
All right. So Power Mate. Got
I think
the.
we don't. That's why we need the power.
All right. Thanks for watching. We figured it out. So important thing is go through the inside, go all the way here, lock here, and you finally tighten here. And then that's how you go up and downstairs. And on your first pull, bring it up to a certain height, step
Okay,
on here,
we move that
and
one
yank
out.
it towards you.
Yeah.